is for apple, red and sweet. B is for ball that bounces on the street. C is for cat who loves to purr. D is for dog with soft fluffy fur. E is for elephant, big and gray. F is for fish that swims all day. G is for goat who jumps so high. H is for hen who lays eggs nearby. I is for igloo, made of snow. J is for jump, up high we go. K is for kite, flying so free. L is for lion, king of the sea. M is for monkey, swinging around. N is for nest, where birds are found. O is for owl, hooting at night. P is for panda, black and white. Q is for queen with a golden crown. R is for rainbow, shining down. S is for sun, bright in the sky. T is for train, chugging by. U is for umbrella, keeping us dry. V is for violin, playing tunes high. W is for whale, swimming so deep. X is for xylophone, making beats. Y is for yacht, sailing so far. Z is for zebra, striped like a star. Sing along, learn and play, ABC fun every day.